In this video, I will show you how to fix Monopoly Go if the invite friends is not working. So let's jump straight into it. So if for any reason you don't see the invite button, or you're pressing the button and you're getting an error message, or the invite friends is not simply working, there's a couple of things you can try to fix this problem. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is actually try closing down Monopoly Go and relaunching it on your device. You can also try turning your phone off and on to see if that fixes the problem. And also check your internet connection to make sure you do have a strong, stable connection. Now, if none of that is working for you, there's a couple more things you can try. The first thing to try is opening up the Play Store, or of course the App Store if you're on an iPhone. And what you want to do is go ahead and search for Monopoly Go on the Play Store or App Store, and make sure you have the most up-to-date version of Monopoly Go on your device. Now, if there is an update available, the blue play button here is actually going to say update. So if there is an update, make sure to update to the latest version to avoid any potential problems. And then you can try to open up the app again and see if you can now invite friends. If that didn't work for you, another thing you can try is going into your settings. So what you want to do is go ahead and search for settings on your device. And from here, you want to come into your apps. Now that's generally underneath the general management section. However, if you do have a search icon like myself, you can just simply use this to search for apps. What you then want to do is press onto apps to bring up all the apps currently installed on your device, and just go ahead and look for Monopoly Go. Once you find Monopoly Go, go ahead and give that a press to go onto the app info screen, and from here you want to come down to the storage section, so press onto storage. And what you want to try next is clearing the cache and the data. So if you come down to the bottom, you're going to see the option to clear cache and then clear the data. So by doing this, what it's going to do is refresh Monopoly Go. Sometimes if your cache is full for the app, this can affect the invite friends button. So you want to give that a go. Launch Monopoly Go on your device and see if that resolves the problem. Now, if it's still not working, what you can do is try uninstalling and reinstalling Monopoly Go on your device to see if that fixes the problem. And if you're still having problems, the best thing to do is reach out to Monopoly Go support. So to do that, you want to open up Monopoly Go on your device. And once you're on Monopoly Go, you want to come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three lines to open up a menu. From here, come down and press onto settings. Then what you need to do, you're going to get a window come up like this. You just want to go ahead and press onto the orange customer service button. So what it's going to do is take you to a kind of help center thing like this. And if you come up to the search box at the top and just basically put invite friends, not working, what you can do is actually press onto any of these articles. It doesn't really matter which one. And when you press onto the article, if you actually scroll down towards the bottom of the article, you're going to see a chat with us button. So if you actually press onto this is going to take you to a live chat. And what you can do in here is just put basically that your invite friends is not working. So if you just put this into here and then go ahead and send that through. And then what you can do is speak to someone from the customer service team to get this problem resolved. And of course, have the option to invite friends. So that's some things you can try to fix if Monopoly Go invite friends is not working. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.